Hi, I'm Gail Crawford, and this is my partner Reed Hilton. We're with Chestnut Park Real Estate, and we're standing in front of 520-222 Thistlewood Road in West Grey. We're just 30 minutes from Owen Sound and a few minutes from Markdale and Highway 10, making this easy commuting to the major centers. This house is a solid brick bungalow. It's on 22 acres, and it has a Rocky Saugeen in the back and a huge workshop. I'm excited to take you inside. Let's go. The main entrance is spacious with lots of elbow room for a big family and big double closet. Just down the hall is the living room. This entire level has solid hardwood maple floors, and all the windows on this side of the house are southeast facing. Check out the fantastic view of the yard, and just imagine down there about 300 meters is the Rocky Saugeen River. Moving on towards the kitchen, my favorite part of the house. What a fantastic spot for cooking and socializing. Built-in appliances, tons of cupboard space, pots and pans drawers, and check out this view. There's nothing better than standing at the kitchen sink and watching the birds and the deer and the squirrels. Just off the main entrance is a home office. It's in a fantastic location if you're receiving clients at home, but it could be easily converted back to a bedroom. It has a full closet and a window. Let's take a look at the other two bedrooms on this level. The master bedroom has this fantastic ensuite bath with jacuzzi soaker tub. And look, just above is a window overlooking the yard. Moving into the master bedroom, you can see how nice and bright it is with all the windows, and again, the beautiful maple hardwood floors throughout. This bedroom and the second bedroom across the hall both have spacious double closets. We're back in the kitchen, and just off the kitchen is a spacious mudroom with double closets and a two-piece washroom. It has inside entry to the garage, and the laundry facilities are here as well. Let's take a look at the lower level. The lower level has two of my favorite things. It has an airtight, cozy wood-burning stove and a walkout to the concrete patio and the yard. There's a four-piece bathroom and a very nice bright bedroom for guests or for your teenagers. There's a lot of space on this level, and there's another utility room with double sinks and water that the current owners use for a winemaking station. We're back in the kitchen now, and it's time for me to hand it all over to Reed. He's going to show you the outside, the yard, the workshop, and the Saugeen River.
This is a beautiful, secluded 22-acre property. When the snow melts, we have a beautiful waterfall coming down into the pond and abundance of wildlife all throughout. We're back at the house now, so let's go out to the very large, fantastic workshop. There's abundance of room for all your toys and any hobbies that you may have.
Thanks for taking the tour of 520-222 Thistlewood Road with us today. If you'd like to see more of this amazing property, please just give us a call at 705-445-5454. And to view any of our other listings, go to reedhilton.com. Thank you.